What's up, YouTube? I have a 2012 F-150 XLT and I am replacing the stereo today, and one of the things I'm doing is I'm also installing a dash cam. And after searching YouTube for a little bit and trying to figure out how to remove the headliner, I watched a couple of videos and they just didn't work for me because they took forever. So this is a quick 30-second video on how to remove the headliner to install your dash cam. You're going to have to remove the sun visors on both sides, and then you're going to have to remove the overhead console. Use a pry bar over on this lip right here and basically just pull hard. It just snaps right in and snaps out. I removed both of them, both sun visors, because I was stupid, but that's all you have to do to remove the headliner. Once you do that, you'll have plenty of room behind here to run your wire for your camera, or if you want to do the microphone, you can do that too, for the sync. That's it. You also have to remove this if you want to do other stuff, but that's a whole other video, a whole other topic. This is just a quick one. Thanks, guys. Bye.